Hi, the theme today is Winter Wonderland. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Are you ready for winter to end? Well, I could take a few more days or maybe a few more hours. So winter is still hanging around, and I love to have dinners around a beautiful, cozy tablescape. So keep watching to see what coziness I've set out for you. Wood slices are used as chargers for that woodsy winter vibe. White plates are set on top of the wood slices to brighten up the setting. And wood and an off-white resin coaster, kind of like a charcuterie board, a mini one, are to the right. With an etched goblet on top. A bottle of sparkling cider sits in front of the place setting to have a nice drink while conversing with your guests. White and gold silverware are placed on the sides of the charger. A blue candle holder is also placed on the right with a tea light inside to give a soft glow to the setting. For the crowning beauty, a gold napkin ring is threaded through 2 napkins. A thin light blue napkin is on top of a white napkin to give the tablescape the cozy setting. In the middle of the table is a snow-laden wreath with a snow-covered tree inside a cloche. Snowflakes drip from the chandelier to top off the winter evening. Do you want to join me? The host for Cozy Corner is the Grace Life DIY and Design with Emma. The co-hosts are Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daly's Rural Life, and me, Z9designs. Make sure you use the hashtag CozyCorner25. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Crafting or making a beautiful tablescape is satisfying, and I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of your comments and love you all. And remember, spread peace, not fear. See you later. Bye-bye.